Welcome back to Kung Fu Maintenance. Got a tricky one here, pun intended. Sometimes what happens with the copies of these keys for the smart key, sometimes you'll rekey it to the original key, and then when you try to use the copy of a key, it doesn't work. Now the trick for this is to rekey it, use the original key and then key it to the copy of the key. And that's what I'm doing here, switching it back. Now it doesn't always take, sometimes it takes a couple runs at it, a couple times of changing it back and forth for it to really work right, but that's been the workaround for the occasional. It's not on all sets, but occasionally you'll find a particular key cut that's a bit stubborn to take the smart key, and that's been my fix, is again rekeying it to the copy of the key until all keys work properly on it. So something you'll have to recheck, and especially tricky if you have key to like locks. You want to make sure that it works on all of your locks, but that's the workaround. Yeah, there is one other possible scenario that can cause this, and that's if your key machine is out of calibration. I need to get around to making a video showing you guys how to calibrate the key machine. It's really not too difficult, but I think it would make a good video. Anyway, but if your key machine has been making keys normally and everything's been working right, sometimes it is just a particular lock, or the smart key lock, that's a little bit more difficult to take the particular key pattern, and this has been my workaround for this scenario. If you find these videos helpful, a one-time donation would be greatly appreciated. Also, if you support me on Patreon, helps me do what I do. There are some special perks for Patreon supporters, and we'll see you on the next one.
Standing on the edge of death and life, standing in between wrong and right. Light shines down in truth. Us will fall. Darkness, fade to light. Pain give way to eternity. Temporary pain. This is just a test. It's a challenge. Hurt or trust. Give it all you got. It will pass. It will fade. What you see is temporary. What you don't see is eternal. It will last. Hanging with the pain. Let it fade. Let it out. Let it This temporary pain gives way to